winner?
What's the winner?
Me.
Oh, siya daw pa. Siya daw winner. Ay, tao na lang.
Take a picture of us doing this.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, let's be the winner.
Okay, go, 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 go. Okay. Picture? What happened to you guys? What did you do? Why you are punished like that?
Oh my gosh. This is
Oh my gosh, what did you do, guys?
I don't know. I cannot. I lost the game.
Oh, if you lose the game and then this is the punishment. Oh man.
I kidnapped the kid.
Holy.
My legs hurt. Why is this not the right?
Yan, si Malpas Dana. Ano po, pa-picture. Go over in the...
I'm breaking my leg. There is bees. If you don't disturb them.
Oh, this is the easiest one because we can see.
And also there's bees.
Wait a minute. I take your picture, guys. Over here. One cheese. Papa.
Ice cream?
And then over
Oh,
here.
you just think ice cream.
Dana, come over here.
You go there, Dana, so you have pictures.
Can we go to the bridge like over here?
Okay, give me your gun. I will take your picture.
Are you sure you go that way? Are you sure you go that way?
We're in the corn maze, I mean sunflower maze, guys. This is easier than the corn
Go.
because it's too short,
Stay there, stay there.
not too tall.
Picture. Picture, guys. Easy. Mika Zane. Aya. They're in the sunflower maze.
Meanwhile,
Which way we
Somewhere in there, the
go? Which way we
That way. Let's
go?
go this way. Never mind.
Sing.
But we're...
Dara ay, tara pa, exit tayo. Tara ka tayo. Teka, bantay ka diha.
I see
bantay
black
ka na.
seeds.
No, there am tanangagiyotro.
Oh, let's go there.
The
Let's go
exit
back.
is beside that.
Oh, is it? Okay, let's go, Izzy.
Let's go here.
Let's go
Wait,
now.
Yeah.
I need to charge my phone in the car.
Did you bring your charger?
Oh yeah, she
Okay,
did, but she
good.
left it in the car.
Okay, no worries. You can charge it.
How is so easy?
Yeah, that's so easy. I like it. Yeah. You're not crying, right?
I think.
I think. I think too. I think so, Papa. Yeah, we're in the exit now. Good job. And there's the... Did you say that? Oh, stop, stop.
hold up. How deep can we
Yeah,
go?
everything is on you.
'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure. But you know I'm not the same.
This is the winner. Wow. Yay. A bike.
Yeah,
corn maze.
Let's go to corn maze now.
And a corn maze. There, guys. Mapapamahadlog din si Mika pa nilagay siya kasuhan.
It's still early, Mika.
Yeah. Mika gets scared anymore. He wants to go to the corn maze because first time we went there, we're lost. And the zip line over there.
Mika, for us to succeed, if we fail first, do it again.
Yeah.
I will not go there because I failed before, no. Because we will gonna not succeed.
Hey, you're like that too.
With this, we have to go together.
Papa kasi nilabay. Biasa man na. Diha daw na, oh. Sige, be. Maka-check ba? Ay, mana mag-throw. Nak, get the kuan sa nak. Get the Zane's kuan.
Are we not gonna go in for maze?
Where's Izzy? Papa, Izzy, Papa. Sanitize na po ang ikan. Sanitize, every time sanitize, man. Daga naman ang sanitize. Let's go inside. Hala, isulod siya nga to po. Trap. Easy strap mo. I don't know.
We don't know.
You want to ride the train or you go to the corn maze? The
Go
corn
the
maze is
train.
so hard to go out. We went there and we're trapped. We're lost. Papa, mag-maze na ta? Ito lang ta sa isip siguro. Itong sa iyon. Oh, there's a lot of balls. Look at these, they have balls.
Ezekiel, come here.
Wait. Wait.
What you guys doing there? Woo, go guys, go. Ah, you're not strong. You're not that strong, guys. That's okay. It's look at that.
What?
1,093 kilos. If you that's strong.
Heavy.
It's 585 US dollar. Oh.
I'm with the Donna.
Okay, wait a minute. I take you two pictures.
Not a circle anymore.
What? Oh my gosh. 1, 2. Ah yeah. 1, 2. Zane, look at it. Ah. One more, Zane. Ah yeah. Woo. Cowgirl. Aya's a cowgirl. Go easy. Go Aya. Go Zane. Too hard?
Oh yeah, let's do triangle.
Okay, let's go to the easy one.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. To the corn maze. La, la, la. What do you want? What do you want? Okay. Easy wants to play that one. Woo. Yeah, it's open.
A few moments later.
Inside the corn. Look at, remember the
Corn maze is just a practice. I mean the sunflower.
So, Mika, do you have marker over there so that we can mark?
One hour later.
What are you looking, guys?
You can do there, guys.
I want amethyst.
Huh?
I want an amethyst.
And how about you? What are you looking there?
There's no diamond.
You're looking for
Diamond.
Only gold.
I hope you can.
Gold is
Ah! My gosh.
Yeah.
Yes, Papa.
cool. But you need to learn how to drive the train though.
Wow, your hands is clean now. Okay. Is it you gonna wear that one? No, you're gonna wear this first, that one. That's a safety one. And then you can bang bang like that. Ano sa editing? Ah, editing.
You gotta keep on moving. How about I be the person that moves up? You're not moving.
Here, mommy. Here's the,
Did you find something?
No.
No? Oh.
I am moving. Come on, Mama.
Wear your goggle. But wear you properly. Oh. Good job, Izzy. Oh, take your claim the prize. Done. It's too hard.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mama.
Okay, wash it again.
I'll put the water right here.
What's that? You go up there? Okay. Careful. Go, go, go. Easy, go easy. There you are.
Muddy.
That's a muddy? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta check. Wait. I take your picture.
It's muddy.
Yeah, that's a muddy. Look at Papa. Iyang. Ayan, sweater pang. Oh my gosh. What happened?
I'll put it there.
Yeah, put it there. Look if you can find something. Look if you can find that red jasper. You can find this kind of stone over there. Okay? If you can find that one, there's a prize. $2 for one game. Zaman na game hindi na dihan sa dala diha. Serious ka siya. Oh. Serious kang bata. Oh, sa kagipangita na niya. Gold lagi ko, no?
Looking for gold?
Na sila gold. Mika! Aya! Dana. 1, 2. Nagpapang. That's enough! Oh, you put everything in Zane's kuan. Like easy spot. Right, easy? Na malingaw dyan sila basta mga tubig-tubig oy. May mga anak kagyud ba? Na ako'y brown niya to sa kuan.
Pero wala pang saksak.
Ay, mura na. May pang saksak eh.
Stretchy. Stretchy. What?
Ah, just put it there, just let it dry
And this I can't
for
get.
the meantime. Pila ka nilang popcorn diya pa? Small 7 bar, large